Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Online Business Entrepreneur channel. In this video we're gonna talking about how to make money in YouTube without even upload a single video, like a funny compilation video. Make $100 a day over and over again. Let's dive into this video. This video, the most common used website in the world and most searched website in the world is YouTube. We're talking about YouTube. YouTube is a good way to make a passive income. That's passive income, guys. Let's talk about YouTube, how to make money. Let's dive into video. This is our key term, funny fails. Did you see? Many of videos get most of views. Many people are actually making good amount of money with YouTube. Do you think is this video owned by American Funny Home Videos? Probably not. Not absolutely not. This is or borrowed from other users or copied from other users and put it together as a compilation video and make a good amount of money with this. Like AFB, this is the biggest channel in this industry to make lots of money with other person video and making other person laughing. This channel is making a good amount of money, guys. This is way more actually you think. Let's dive into the social bit and analyze this channel. How much this channel make in a month? Let's dive into social bit and put AFP official and hit search. Let's check how much this channel probably make on YouTube. This channel grade A minus. This channel get about 50 million views a single month. Probably make 12k and over 200k dollar in a month. The 12k is not to make a 12k. This is $0.25 CPM. This is $4 CPM. I think this CPM around between two of this, like $2 or $3. Let's take $2. This guy get around 50 million views roughly. 15 million views mean $1 CPM, 50,000, $2 CPM, 100k thousand, 100k dollar thousand. He makes over 100k dollar in a single month and make 2.3 in a year. I think this is the easiest way, copying other people's videos and put it together and upload on a YouTube and waited for views and go to viral and make good amount of money. This is a good video, guys. And if you ask me how I get this video, how I put it together, easiest way to get this video, guys, go to funny clips, go to this filters, Creative Commons. Creative Commons means you use in any of these type videos and make it as your own video. Wait a second, guys. Make it as your own video. This is the Creative Commons, American Funniest Home Video. This video also Creative Commons. You download this video and put it some edit or like compilation anything and re-upload on YouTube and making good amount of money with this. I think this is probably the goodest way to make money in the online and easiest way to money in the online. And be careful with this. Make a clickbait thumbnail or make a hot thumbnail with girls. This type of thumbnail make a viral video and make good amount of money. Did you see? It's a lady and 56k. This is not a good video. This lady, this is not also a good video. Make a good amount of thumbnail. This thumbnail is good. Make 2.2 million views in 3 months. Probably make around $5,000 in this video. This is easiest way. On another channel I show, this channel is the ultimate way. This channel probably make lots of money. This channel is good. You see, this channel upload at least 15 videos, at least about 30 videos. See, do you see this? All of this thumbnail is going to be a viral. This channel's viral video was about 14 million views. 14 million views, guys, just in a 3 month. It's absolutely insane. Did you see this video got 14 million views? Do you see this some thumbnail? This is a clickbait thumbnail. This is the easiest way to make. Do you see American Funniest Home make a 50 grand in a month or 100k grand in a month, and copying other people and put it together and make a compilation video. Compilation in the YouTube is the most easiest way to make money on YouTube. Compilation. Keep in mind, guys, compilation is the most easiest way to money. Copy this video and download this and put it together, make good amount of money. This is the easiest ways to make. If you don't know how to download this YouTube video, go to and type YT downloader. And click on the first link and paste it any video. This is a software, guys. Paste it any video. Online. Paste it any video over here. y2made.com. This is the good website to download YouTube videos. y2made.com. Okay, guys, first you go to this and copy, click on this video and copy this and go to y2made.com and paste over here and click start. Generate your link and click download, and download as much as you can and put it together as a compilation and create your own thumbnail to like a clickbait and put it back to YouTube. At least you will monetize your channel. At least you get 1000 subscribers. It's the easiest. You hit a one viral video, you get 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch time hours. Is this the easy way? You see 340k views. If you get 4000 hours watch time, you at least get 80k views, a watch time of 3 minutes. It's the easiest way. The compilation video. Compilation is making good. Compilation are insane to make money on YouTube. Compilation are the best way to make money on YouTube. You seen the AFV? This guy is the most making money on YouTube, making over 100k on YouTube. Probably good man. It's a good way to make money, guys. Be consistent on YouTube. This is the rule of the YouTube. Be consistent. Be consistent on YouTube and be action today. Don't be lazy. Don't put it in tomorrow. Be consistent. be lazy. This video all about this, guys, how to make money on YouTube over and over again with the compilation. I think you probably learn lot of from this video on how to people are making good amount of money with compilation or funny compilation, or you can get video from Instagram or Facebook, anything else or anywhere, and copy and download it and put it together as a compilation and put it back to the YouTube and make good amount of money. This is video, guys. Thanks for watching. Make money online. I love you.